Hello. This is Ken. I like making things. And I love toys. I enjoy being creative and trying new tricks. My goal for this channel is to challenge myself and create fun stuff for me and my toys. If you want to see me explore ideas and figure out ways to DIY a variety of stuff, click the subscribe button. Last year for Christmas, I made a little Christmas tree. So Santa could bring me little toys. Check it out if you haven't already. I have collected a lot of Dragon Ball figures over the years, and they always come in a variety of sizes. Which means, the smaller figures never get a chance to shine on my display shelf. Even though the smaller figures are just as awesome, they'll always get overshadowed by the bigger statues. So to counter that, I started this mini stage series for these smaller figures, giving them back the spotlight they deserve. So today, it's time to improve, upgrade, enhance Vegito so he can stand on a mini stage next to Trunks and Goku Black on my display. I will be using everyday basic tools and material, saving myself some money so I can spend it on my next figure. Hahaha. Vegito is probably the coolest character ever in the Dragon Ball series. What happens when you fuse Goku and Vegeta into one? You get Vegito. He first debuted against Buhin in Dragon Ball Z. He was so overpowered that he was humiliating Buhin by fighting with his arms crossed. And then Goku and Vegeta had no choice but to fuse again in Dragon Ball Super against the fused immortals Zamasu and Goku Black, but this time in his Super Saiyan Blue form. Just like last time, he was so overpowered that he was humiliating Zamasu. And then, okay, why does that keep happening to Vegito? Anyway, before we start, let's have a look at the figure. Vegito is so cool. Blue looks great on him. His Super Saiyan Blue translucent hair looks amazing. And Vegito does not have any bad angles or sides. Because he's that cool. So, can I make it? Now let's set the stage. My goal for this series is to give each figure a mini stage to amplify their personalities and recreate iconic moments. I want Vegito, Trunks and Goku Black to be placed side by side and complement each other, since they are the most memorable characters from this arc. Vegito and his little stage. This is going to be fun. First, let's prep the cutting mat. We are going to continue cutting this packaging cardboard that came with the furniture. I am still making stages out of this same piece, and then I am going to cut. I am going to do the exact same measurements as my test stage. Perfect. That looks like a mini stage. Okay, let's see how Vegito looks standing on it. I can already envision it, Vegito and his cool godly blue aura. Now for the background. I want to replicate the moment Vegito emerged from behind the rubble. Goku, Vegeta and Trunks were hiding behind the debris. All hope seems lost. Until they put on the Potara earrings. And bam! To replicate that scene, I am going to modify Super Saiyan Trunks' background. I will need to change the aura and make sure the blue is reflected in the scene. Here's it printed. Now I am going to trim the borders out. Cut. And more cut. Let's see how it looks on the cardboard. It's so cool. I am just going to use a regular glue stick to stick it on. Regular glue sticks means no warpy background from me. Let's put Vegito back on and have a look. Gotta fix the flimsy background with cardstock paper and glue stick. White glue does warpy things to paper. Let's put Vegito back on. That looks great. But I want it to be more explosive. Since he's the most powerful character ever. So I am going to add layers to his aura. Just like I did for Trunks. Check it out if you haven't already. But wait, I am going to outdo Trunks. I am going to add some debris or rocks to the scene. To create some rocks, I am going to use this packaging styrofoam that I got from a different furniture. Just going to cut. There we go. And then I am going to mix some paint. If there's one thing I learned back in my painting days, it is never trust my brain. Listen to my eyes. Use the colors I see, not the colors I think. Okay, that made it sound more confusing. They may look blue now, but you'll see what I mean. Okay, let's see how they look on the mini stage. Vegito looks amazing with the debris. They are blending in perfectly. My tip from myself worked. Now let's glue them down with white glue this time. I need a stronger glue for these. Now here's the final look. I think I replicated that scene quite accurately. Let me know what you think. Now let's compare him with Goku Black. Wow, the colors look good against each other. They look really good side by side. Now let's add Trunks to the mix. Oh wow, that looks amazing. The colors are popping. This is the perfect set of figures. Yay, I have accomplished my goal. Each figure gets its own mini display stage, but they also can be combined into a different display set. Now here's the final product. If you like what I've done, please share this video and give this a like. Subscribe if you want to see me upgrade more figures. I can make it, so can you.
Last time on Dragon Ball Super, Goku Black and Zamasu are unbeatable. Wait, what? They fused. Vegeta does not want to get beat up again, so he agrees to fuse with Goku. Damn. Vegito Blue is born. Which fusion will come out victorious? Vegito and his mini stage now available, batteries not included.